Hello girls, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to start with chapter number 16, which is area of trapezium and other polygons. First of all, coming to the area part, let us see. We are talking about area of trapezium and other polygon. Polygon means a closed figure. ठीक है, एक closed figure की बात हो रही है. What is this? A rectangle. And all of us know what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Fine. What is this? A triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. This is a parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? It is base into height. देखो, whenever we are talking about height, there should be some perpendicular. Height हमेशा perpendicular मतलब 90 डिग्री वाली होती है, जैसे ट्रायंगल में AD आ गई. अब बेस क्या बनता है? जहां पर ये 90 डिग्री बन रहा है, BC लाइन के ऊपर बन रहा है ना 90 डिग्री, तो BC विल बी द बेस और हाइट हो गई AD. सिमिलरली अगर मैं पैरेललोग्राम में आती हूँ, मैंने ये हाइट बना दी से DE, ये 90 डिग्री की लाइन ले, ये हाइट हो गई. बेस क्या बन जाएगा? AB, मतलब AB इंटू DE. ये पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया होता है. ओके, अब अगर मैंने 90 डिग्री ऐसे बना दिया, सपोज AF मेरा 90 डिग्री है, A से यहाँ पर एक 90 डिग्री की लाइन बना दी, तो बेस क्या बन जाएगा? BC. अगर मेरा 90 डिग्री AF है, हाइट मैंने AF ली है, तो बेस BC आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो जहां भी 90 डिग्री लाई कर रहा है वो हमेशा बेस बनता है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ क्विक रिव्यू. द मेन थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम. ट्रेपीजियम क्या होता है? वी ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज अ ट्रेपीजियम. इट इज अ क्लोज्ड फिगर having four sides in which two sides are parallel and other two sides are non-parallel, like this. A closed four-sided figure in which two sides are parallel to each other, like these two sides are parallel and these two sides are non-parallel. Okay, AD and BC non-parallel है, AB और CD parallel. अब area of trapezium क्या होगा? Area of trapezium. Formula for area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is the formula. Now, पैरेलल साइड्स कौन सी है यहाँ पर? AB और CD. हाइट कुछ भी ऐसे एक 90 डिग्री की लाइन आ जाएगी, DE. CF भी आ सकती है और DE भी आ सकती है. यहाँ से भी एक 90 डिग्री आ सकता है, यहाँ से भी आ सकता है. कोई भी एक 90 डिग्री की लाइन, दैट विल बी द एल्टीट्यूड, जो किसी वर्टेक्स से आ रही है, एक परपेंडिकुलर. सो दिस विल बी योर हाइट. दिस इज हाफ इनटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स क्या हो गई? AB प्लस CD. अगर मैं इस फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग देखती हूँ, AB प्लस CD इंटू हाइट क्या हो गई? DE. दिस इज एरिया ऑफ trapezium. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. So let us start with our very first exercise, 16A. We'll start with question number 1. You have to note this area of trapezium in your notebook. इससे पहले तो एक क्विक रिव्यू था, कुछ चीजें आपने पहले पढ़ी हुई हैं. एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम यू हैव टू नोट इन योर नोटबुक. एक्सरसाइज 16A, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is in question number 1? We have to find the area of trapezium when it is given the two parallel sides. Area of trapezium we have to find when parallel sides are, we are going to do first A part, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and height is 7 centimeter. A part we are doing, height is 7 centimeter. And two parallel sides are 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. We have to find area of trapezium. The formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. That is half into 8 plus 10 into 7. That is half into 18 into 7. 2 9s are 18. This is 63 centimeter square. Remember area की unit क्या होती है? Centimeter square. Don't forget to write the unit. अगर size centimeter में है तो area की unit centimeter square. So this is area of trapezium, 63 centimeter square. Simply we have put the formula, put the values, and then we got the answer. Similarly, you are going to do fourth part, D part in your notebook. You are going to do the D part in your fair notebooks. After this, let us come to question number 3. Question number 2 is similar. Parallel sides are given, height is given, altitude is height, and you have to find the area. Coming to question number 3. What is in question number 3? The two parallel sides of trapezium are 85 and 63 centimeter. Area is 2664 centimeter square. We have to find the altitude. Altitude is height. They have said we have given you the area, that is 2664. We have given you the parallel sides, that are 85 and 63. You have to find the altitude. That means you have to find the height. Okay, we know the formula, right? We are going to put the values there. We know the area, we know the parallel sides. The missing thing is height. We can calculate that easily. One thing we can calculate. See how it is. Question number 3 is parallel sides 85 and 63 centimeter. Parallel sides of trapezium. Then area of trapezium is given, which is 2664 centimeter square. We have to find the height. You are going to apply the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Area of trapezium is 2664, half into. Sum of parallel sides will be 85 plus 63 into height. We don't know. Height we have to calculate. Now see over here, 2664 is equal to half into, add them, this will be 148 into height. You can take height h also. Okay. So 2 ones are 274. So 2664 is equal to 74 into height. So height is equal to 74 नीचे आ जाएगा डिवाइड में 2664 upon 74. We can cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Then 37. First of all, we'll see 37 3. Then it will be 6. You're going to divide 1332 by 37, you'll get 36. So this is 36 centimeter. So what is the height? The height will be 36 centimeter is your answer. The next question we are going to do is, okay, in this parallel sides was given and area was given. We have found the height by using the formula only. Okay. The next two questions are similar. We'll come to question number 5th after this. Question number 4th is similar to this. We'll come to question number 5th. What is question number 5th? Find the sum of length of the bases of trapezium whose altitude is 17 centimeter and area is 0.85 centimeter. They are saying if this is a required trapezium, okay, and some altitude is given, we have to altitude पता है हमें and we have the area पता है. We have to find the sum of the bases. मतलब ये AB और base क्या बनेगा CD. इन दोनों का sum निकालना है. That means sum of parallel sides we have to find. Okay, so we are going to write let ABCD be required trapezium. हमने बोला ये ABCD वो trapezium है जो हमें क्वेश्चन में रिक्वायर्ड है. Area of trapezium. What is given area? 0.85 meter square. Height, say AE, we can say, is equal to 17 centimeter. Now area is in meter square, height is in centimeter. We have to change the unit. या तो आप इसको centimeter square में change कर दो, इसको meters में. I am changing this into meter. This will be 0.17 meters. Dividing by 100, we got 0.17 meters. Centimeter को meter में change करने के लिए we divided by 100. You can show it over here. 17 by 100 meters. We have to find AB plus CD. This we have to find. Okay? We don't know this. Simply we are going to apply the formula. Area of trapezium ABCD is half into sum of parallel sides क्या है यहाँ पर AB plus CD और height कितनी है AE. I've put it according formula को मैंने according to the labeling put कर दिया. Sum of parallel sides into height, that is AE. Now area is 0.85. Half into, we don't know AB plus CD, we have to find this. Height is given to, height we know that is 0.17 meters. Now this height is in multiplication. ये इधर आके क्या हो जाएगी? डिवाइड में आ जाएगी. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है ना, तो ये इधर आके डिवाइड में आ जाएगी. That is 0.17. 2 यहाँ नीचे है तो इधर आके कहाँ आ जाएगा? ऊपर आ जाएगा. ना इस साइड क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ AB प्लस CD. डेसिमल से डेसिमल कैंसिल. 17 ones are 17 5s are, then 5 2s are 10. So AB plus CD is equal to 10 meters. This is in meters. You can also change it into centimeter, multiplying it by 100, that will be 1000 centimeters. In whatever way you can represent the answer. इसमें हमें sum of sides निकालना था, sum of parallel sides. पहले हमें सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स गिवन था, हमें हाइट निकालनी थी, एरिया भी गिवन था. In this question, the area was given, height was given, we have to calculate sum of the parallel sides. So we have calculated it. Coming to question number 6 after this. Important question. The question is, the area of trapezium is 210 centimeter square. Height is equal to 14 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is double the other, we have to find the two parallel sides. अभी तक हमें सम निकालना था, वो हमने इजीली निकाल लिया. अब हमें वो दोनों पैरेलल साइड्स कैलकुलेट करनी है. ठीक है, एरिया गिवन है, हाइट गिवन है, दोनों अलग अलग फाइंड करनी है. सम तो हमने इजीली निकाल लिया था, बट हमें वो अलग अलग कैलकुलेट करनी है. And for that, they have given the condition also. If one of the parallel side is double the other, one parallel side is double the other. See how we are going to do this. This is question number 6. Area of trapezium. First of all, given conditions लिख लेते हैं. What is area of trapezium? 210 centimeter square. Height of trapezium is 14 centimeter. Now they have said if one parallel side is double the other. तो मैंने क्या बोला? Let one parallel side be x centimeters. अगर एक x है तो दूसरी इसकी डबल है, सो दूसरी कितनी हो जाएगी? 2x. So other parallel side will be 2x centimeters. Other parallel sides will be 2x centimeter. Why? Because they have given the condition. If the one parallel side is double the other. तो अगर एक x हो गई तो दूसरी कितनी हो जाएगी? 2x हो जाएगी. Now applying the formula, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Again and again I am writing the formula in every question. You also remember to write the formula whenever you are applying it. जहाँ भी formula use हो रहा है, please mention the formula first and then put the values. So what is the area? 210 half. Now sum of parallel sides, that is x plus 2x. Sum of parallel sides मतलब x plus 2x into height कितनी है? 14 centimeter. Okay? When you are calculating this, जब भी आप इसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करेंगे in any question where parallel sides you know, पहले ब्रैकेट कैलकुलेट करना बेटा. ओके? ऐसा मत करना कि सिंपली कट करना शुरू कर दो, उससे कैलकुलेशन टफ हो जाती है. पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. x plus 2x कितना हो गया? 3x into 14. अब हमें जो कैंसिल करना है वो हम कर सकते हैं आराम से. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14. This will be 210 is equal to 7 3s are 21x. अब ये 21 इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide, because we have to calculate the value of x. Right? So x is equal to 10 centimeter. That means one parallel side is equal to 10 centimeter. What will be the other parallel side? 2 into x, that is 2 into other parallel side is 2x, no? So that is 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter. So दूसरी parallel side कितनी आ गई? 20 centimeter. Okay? So what we have done in this question, we were given the area, we were given the height. The condition was given one parallel side is twice the other, double the other. Okay? So we assume let one parallel side be x. अगर एक x हो गई तो दूसरी कितनी हो जाएगी? 2x. We applied the formula, put the value. Remember bracket को पहले solve करना है, then जो भी ऐड हो रहा है पहले उसे ऐड कर लो, उसके बाद बाकी कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. 2 7s are, we calculated this, we got the value x is equal to 10 centimeter. That means one parallel side is 10. and other one will be 20 centimeter, right? So the other questions, the further questions, we'll do it in next video. Stay safe, do this work in your notebook, stay safe and healthy, okay?